Hey guys, let's put together another video here. Finally getting back to this. It's been a while since I've been working on the mill. What I did is I created, those not familiar with it, it's called a warm-up program, Mach3, and it's called an M code. It's somewhat the same as a G code, but it's referred to as an M code. I'll put together a chart here. Put you over here, the M code chart. I'll attach some images to the last part of this video. First, before you do the warm-up, you need to go up to config. On the config screen, go down to general config. That will bring up this screen here. And if you look close here, you'll see M01 control, stop on M1 command. M1 command is M1 through M99. You want to make sure that box is unchecked. This box here, you see how it's checked. If you check it, you want to make sure that is unchecked. If it's checked, it won't run no M commands, period. Then you go down to OK and just click OK. But what I do, this is within my parameters, give or take an inch or two in all three directions. If you go on your mill and you want to home everything first, your X, Y, and Z on home, and you'll see my axes are all zeroed out. And you just go down to cycle start. Just a warm-up program is all it is. Got clearance in all directions, like I had mentioned, about an inch or so. Give or take a few. Sorry for the lighting back here, it's not the best. This is one way to lube up to, to warm up your ways. I lube everything X, Y, and Z real well all the time anyways, but this way it just gets it warmed up, if you will. On X I'm running, I don't remember exactly what it was, 60 IPM I believe it is on X. Per minute. Y, I believe it was 50 on Z as well. You can run it whatever you want, slow or fast as far as that goes. With this program you can at least. It depends when you're milling how fast it is, how fast you prefer rather. Debating on chatter, engine RPM output, whatnot. You got a lot of output and stuff. You can bump up your IPM quite a bit. This is what I normally run, A lot of programs I'll run 30 IPM on X, Y, and Z. But anywho, this is the video I just thought I'd put together for people that's interested in a warm-up program. And I'll go over to the screen here so you can see it. And it's a G53. And then you click go. X will move first 7 inches, and Y goes positive 3 inches. Z goes a negative 4.0 inches. X will go 1 inch, and so on. And 47, all that is repeat. And like I mentioned, I'll put this chart here at the end of this video for reference, as well as that first screen, a snapshot of that first screen, so people are aware of how that's done. But just another plus in Mach 3, I suppose. Thanks for watching. Later.